This is my first ever video with my first ever hive. I've had it now for just under a week. I bought her off a nice gentleman in Pencoed. They've been here since last Wednesday. It's now July the 3rd. And let's see what they've been up to. Sorry if I seem amateurish. This is my first time by myself. Oh, they look good there. So I had this in a nice little travel box. There were 5 frames plus a queen. She was blue, got a blue mark and everything. Hello, sweetheart. Okay. And first amateur mistake I made, I haven't got a hive tool. Here we go. Have got my smoker. Oh, I don't want to oversmoke you. I haven't lit this properly. Okay. There we go. This is why you need a hive tool, so I could have scraped off all that wax that they've made on there over the last week. And those are clear last week, so they've made that within a week. So go from the outside. I think this is, yeah, that's just a clear frame. They haven't even started on that yet. Same on that one. So I think we'll start on the frames. They have done. So, oh, this has got a bit of weight to it. So you can see on that one they've started. That's the most recent one. It looks like a nice. There we go, look at that. They've started on that, no queen on there that I can see. I haven't actually started looking yet, I probably should. We see some pollen in there, some honey starting to be capped over. On this side, they've only just started building the foundation out. That looks good. On this one, this is why you need a hive tool. There we go. Oh, that's got more weight to it. And there's a lot of nice capped honey there around the sides. Not seeing the queen, all capped around the side there. And started around the side there. This is one of the frames they didn't come out on. This is the most, this was the first frame I think they started building out on. I'm gonna blow to get him out of the way so I can see. Go on, in you get. Oh, I don't want to squish anyone. Okay. Now, this is one of the frames they came in. Loads of brood on that one. Loads and loads of cat brood on that one. You see loads of cat brood on there and on there, and plenty of honey around for everyone. Marvellous. Trying to find the queen. I don't know if I'll find her. It's my first time, so it'll be very, very fortunate if I do find her. And they're not annoyed either, which is a shock to me, because all the hives I've ever opened, they've all been buzzing about and getting really, really angry with you. But this is a very calm hive I seem to have, which is fortunate for myself. Lots and lots of brood on there. Love it. Plenty of brood on there. I'm guessing the queen's further in, because that's the where they started building out on first. They went forward instead of back, which I'm guessing is the norm. Not sure. Oh, hello. Still not seeing the queen. I'm guessing she's forward, filling up the gaps. You can see lovely lovely brood patterns on there. A couple of spots here and there, but they seem to be filled with nectar for now. This is tough without a hive tool, which is not a mistake I plan to make again. Famous last words. Oh, this is surreal. No queen on there. I am just looking for the queen now, as I can. Ah, these two are stuck together. There we go. I'm thinking not supposed to do that, but I have no choice. Okay, so no caproot on here yet, but I can see plenty of larvae and lots of eggs. So I know she's laying, apparently. So that's good. Lots of pollen, lots of larvae, I believe. Yep, larvae and eggs as well, I can see. No queen on there. But with the eggs, I can tell she's been there before. I can see over there then. Oh. Right. So if I'm right, then she should be on possibly one of these two. Oh, this is a heavy one. That's a very heavy one. Lots of capped honey here. Oh, there's my queen. I don't want to hold her up to the camera in case she falls off. As you can see her, right here, little blue dots, looking beautiful. Actually, if I try and get the camera. Where's she gone? Here she is. There you go. Right, this is heavy, so I'm gonna really try not to drop this with her on it. I did try and do a shake it, try and shake it off because I don't want to put her back with the frame that she is. Oh wait. You're not getting in, mate. There we go, I can see her going in there into another frame. So I can put this back nice and safe without worrying about squishing her. Which is something someone taught me. Don't squish your queen. That is rule number 1, I believe. Don't squish your queen. Check these now. Plenty of loads and loads of honey and foundation being built up there. I've got a little damage there with the foundation, but you girls will sort that out. Plenty of foundation being built there. Plenty of honey being brought in. And those two have yet to be started on. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say 7.5 frames with plenty of brood, plenty of honey, plenty of everything. Happy days. Let's scrape some of this wax foundation off the top here. Yes, I am using a rock. There's no bees on top, so I'm not squishing anyone. There we go. No fatalities at all. Happy days. Let's put the crown board back on. That, in my opinion, was a successful first look into my first hive.